Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to connect Namecheap domain to Wix. So in order to do this, first of all, log into wix.com using your user credentials. After you log into Wix, navigate to a new tab and log into namecheap.com using your user credentials. After you log into both Wix and Namecheap's website, you will have to navigate to Wix dashboard, and on the dashboard, you will see a connect domain button appearing just right here. If you don't see it right here, click on connect button at the top. It doesn't matter which button you click, just select it, and after you click on connect a domain button, you will see this text bar appearing. Now navigate to namecheap.com, log in using user credentials, and on the right side of the screen, click on account and select dashboard. After you click on dashboard, you will see a page that will look something like this. Now choose domain list button. When you click on domain list, you'll be able to see all the domains you will have on Namecheap. Simply copy your domain's name from here. So we are not able to see any domain here because I don't own any domain on Namecheap. So you will see a manage option just right here at the right side of the screen. Click on manage and then copy your domain from this area, that is Namecheap's domain list, and navigate back to Wix and paste that specific domain in this section. So paste your domain in this section and click on let's go. After you click on let's go, you'll be promoted to another page that will be this page. Now, as you can see, it says weavemedia.com is taken. Is it yours? So click on yes, I own this domain. Now click on upgrade and save button, because in order to connect your site to a domain, you'll have to upgrade to a Wix premium plan. After that, you'll be navigated to another page where you'll have to click on OK, and you will have successfully connected your Namecheap domain to Wix by doing this. So that's how we do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.